any range of 8 mm, 12 mm and 19 mm. Place the motorcycle on its center stand on a firm, flat surface. Warm up the engine for 2 minutes. These are the 3 drain holes under the crankcase. I am starting off with the sump filter drain cap. Keep a clean tray below the engine to collect all the used engine oil. Remove the sump filter. Clean the filter with the old engine oil. Now remove the crankshaft drain plug. Use 12 mm to remove the gearbox drain plug. Tilt the motorcycle on both the sides and allow it to drain thoroughly. On the right side of the crankcase, loosen the 3 bolts of the oil filter element. Now, remove the oil filter carefully. Remember not to lose the filter washers. Clean all the nuts, bolts and washers with drained engine oil. You can also dip it in a new engine oil for best maintenance. Use any aftermarket engine flush to remove the accumulated deposits. Use the 15W50 grade engine oil. I'm using the Castrol Power One Cruise engine oil, recommended for cruise bikes. Lubricate the new engine oil filter and remember to always change the filter. Insert the filters along with rubber washers to prevent leakage. Now, put back all the bolts, nuts. Finally, set the spindle aside, remove the cap, use funnel and refill the oil up to 2.75 liters. Keep the engine running for a few minutes before you take it on the road. Caution, neither cross max mark as it will result to loss of power and smoke, nor bring it below minimum mark to avoid damage and malfunction.